The year was 2011, rural Nebraska. Vast farmland lay silent under a star-dusted sky. Officer Herbert Shermer was on a routine patrol. His cruiser cut through the darkness, headlights carving visibility. These nights were long, uneventful, a rhythm of checking spots and ensuring peace. The air was cool, typical for that time of year. No indication that this shift would deviate from the norm. Little did he know, the sky above was about to present something that would challenge everything he knew. His dash-mounted camera would soon become a witness to an enduring mystery. Suddenly, something caught Officer Shermer's attention. A strange light, or rather a series of lights forming an object. It was hovering silently, defying conventional explanations. It wasn't an airplane, it made no sound. It wasn't a helicopter, its movements were too smooth, too alien. He slowed his cruiser, his training kicking in. Observe, report. He described a large, metallic-looking object, disc-shaped, with bright, pulsating lights. His dashcam, still recording, was pointed directly at the phenomenon. His transmission crackled through to dispatch. He detailed the object's size and eerie silence. The object remained stationary for a few moments, then began to move with a swift, impossible grace. The dispatcher tried to maintain contact, but Officer Shermer's responses became increasingly strained, then abruptly stopped. The radio went silent. Not static, just dead air. The dashcam presumably continued to record, capturing whatever transpired next. For Officer Shermer, this was a direct, personal encounter with the unknown. Concern mounted rapidly at the dispatch center. Backup units were scrambled, their sirens wailing as they sped towards Officer Shermer's last known location. The responding officers arrived with a sense of foreboding. What they found only deepened the mystery. Officer Shermer's police cruiser was there, parked by the side of the road. Its engine was still running, and the driver's side door was ajar. A thorough search of the immediate vicinity was conducted, but there was no sign of Officer Shermer. He had vanished. His service weapon was still in its holster inside the car. His radio, though silent, appeared functional. It was as if he had simply evaporated into the thin Nebraska air. The investigation into Officer Shermer's disappearance and reappearance began immediately. The dashcam footage from his cruiser was examined. The portion covering the time of the reported sighting and his disappearance was wiped. Not just damaged, but completely erased, as if by a strong electromagnetic pulse. Further examination revealed more anomalies. Sensitive electronic components within the vehicle showed signs of electromagnetic damage. These findings lent credence to the officer's initial report of a hovering, technologically advanced object. Under hypnosis, fragmented and disturbing recollections surfaced. He described seeing blinding lights, a sensation of being floated, and non-human entities. The case remains officially unresolved, a testament to the enduring mystery that sometimes touches our world.